Hi, this is Guru. I have been doing data science course in GUVI for past 4 months. My badge is DW24. It was a great experience. I learned a lot from GUVI, and they asked me to go on and practice what they taught me. And the thought process was so good. The teaching by the staffs and the support from the support system was so good. They taught me each and everything from the basics, from the scratch, and I'm really happy that I learned a lot from such a great institute. And I promise that I will carry through this knowledge into my career, and I will upgrade my career as well. And this is a great opportunity for me to upgrade my career life and my platform also. I'm really happy to pursue a career in such a good institution as well. I'm looking forward to have a very good job and continue my best in my life. Thank you.